Hi. Welcome to our channel where we talk about how to achieve financial success. We all want to secure a stable future for ourselves and our loved ones, and there are certain principles to achieve this. In this video, we will look at the key principles of financial success that will help you manage your finances, achieve your goals, and ensure financial stability. Whether you are new to the world of finance or a seasoned investor, these principles can be a solid guide on your journey to financial independence. I see you're intrigued. Good. Let's get started. Principle 1: Budgeting and Planning. Budgeting and planning is the cornerstone of financial success. No matter how much you earn, being able to manage your finances and having a clear plan is crucial to achieving your financial goals. Let's break down why budgeting and planning is so important and how to get started the right way. But before we do, pause the video, give this video a like and subscribe. Great. The importance of budgeting. Budgeting is the process of creating a detailed plan that outlines how you plan to use your financial resources. It's not just a list of expenses, it's a tool to control your money and achieve your goals. Here's why budgeting is important. 1. Spending control. A budget helps you understand where your money is going. It allows you to identify areas where you can save money. 2. Planning for the future. A budget allows you to plan not only for the current month, but also for future periods. You can factor in major purchases, vacations, and even retirement. 3. Achieving financial goals. Through a budget, you can allocate funds to achieve your goals, whether it's paying off debt, saving for education, or investing. 4. Avoiding financial crises. A budget helps you avoid unexpected financial difficulties such as debt and debts. Remember also the best platform for earning and investing Bybit, and by using the promo code below the video, you will get the first $1,000 in your account. How to create a personal budget. Creating a personal budget is a process that starts with gathering information about your financial situation. Here's how to do it. 1. Gather financial information. Start by keeping track of all your income and expenses. This includes paychecks, supplemental income, rent payments, loans, etc. 2. Identify categories of expenses. Divide your expenses into categories such as housing, food, transportation, entertainment, and debt. 3. Prioritize. Decide which expenses are most important based on your financial goals. 4. Create a budget. Create a budget that accounts for all of your income and expenses. Make sure your income is more than your expenses. 5. Track and adjust. Maintain a budget by recording all financial transactions. Periodically review the budget and make adjustments as needed. Let's summarize. Budgeting and planning are powerful tools to help you take control of your finances and move toward financial goals. In the following chapters, we'll look at how budgeting can help you manage debt, invest, and ensure financial stability. Moving forward. Principle 2: Savings and Debt Management. The principle of saving and managing debt is a key element of financial success. Here we'll break down why it's important to save money and how to effectively manage debt to strengthen your financial stability. The importance of saving money. Saving money isn't just about hoarding capital, it's about building a financial cushion. Here's why saving money is so important. 1. Financial stability. Savings can help you deal with unexpected expenses such as medical bills or emergency repairs. 2. Creating opportunities. Saving gives you the freedom to make choices. You can afford more options, whether it's traveling, education, or investing. 3. Paying off debts. Saving money helps you pay off your debts faster and reduce the interest on them. How to save money. 1. Set a budget. Set yourself a monthly or annual limit for unnecessary expenses and stick to it. 2. Automate savings. Set up automatic transfers to a savings or investment account each month. 3. Uncover discounts and promotions. Research discounts, coupons, and special offers before making major purchases. 4. Assess your needs. Periodically review your subscriptions to make sure you're not overpaying for unnecessary items. How to manage debt. Debt management also plays an important role in your financial life. Here's how to do it. 1. Create a repayment plan. Identify your debts and develop a strategy to pay them off. Prioritize debts with high interest rates. 2. Reevaluate your credit habits. Avoid using credit cards for everyday expenses if you can't pay off the balance at the end of the month. 3. Negotiate with creditors. If you find it difficult to pay off your debts, contact your creditors to discuss alternative repayment options. To summarize, the principle of saving and debt management is the foundation of financial sustainability. Proper debt management and an ongoing commitment to saving can help you strengthen your financial future and achieve financial independence. Next, we'll look at how these principles relate to investing and achieving your financial goals. Principle 3: Investing and Diversity. The principle of investing and diversity plays an important role in creating financial success. Next, we'll explore why investing is important for growing your capital and how proper diversity in your investment portfolio can reduce risk and increase opportunity. The importance of investing. Investing is the process of placing your capital in assets that can generate returns. Here's why investing is important. 1. Capital growth. Investing allows your capital to grow over time, rather than just sitting in a savings account. 2. Inflation protection. Investments can help you preserve the purchasing power of your capital in the face of inflation. 3. Income and passive earnings. Some investments, such as stocks and bonds, can earn you regular income. Diversity in investing. However, investing is not just limited to asset selection. Diversity in your investment portfolio is a key element of a successful investing strategy. Here's why diversity is important. 1. Risk reduction. Diversity allows you to spread risk across different types of assets. If one investment goes bad, others can offset the losses. 2. Optimize returns. Different investments can generate returns at different times. This allows you to earn a steady income even in variable market conditions. 3. Adapting to change. Diversity allows you to adapt to changing market conditions and economic factors. How to create a diverse investment portfolio. 1. Invest in stocks of different companies and industries. 2. Consider different types of bonds, including government and corporate bonds. 3. Invest in real estate or real estate funds. 4. Consider investing in commodities such as gold or oil. 5. Diversify your portfolio with investment funds that invest in different assets. So, the principle of investing and diversity is a key element of financial success. Proper investing and portfolio diversity helps you grow capital, reduce risk and create a more stable financial future. So there you have it. Let's summarize. In this video, we identified with you the basic principles that can be the foundation of your financial stability and help you achieve financial independence. Let's go over them one more time. Principle 1. Budgeting and planning. Creating a personal budget helps you control your spending and plan for the future. Set financial goals and follow them to achieve the results you want. Principle 2. Saving and debt management. Saving gives you a financial safety cushion and options for future investments. Debt management avoids financial crises and accelerates your goals. Principle 3. Investing and diversity. Investments grow your capital and provide protection against inflation. A diverse investment portfolio reduces risks and increases opportunities. Well, that's it. See you all again. Bye.